Hello everyone. Ayan guys, napabayaan ko na yung YouTube. I have no time for my YouTube because my time is the Reels. So it's not nice yung Reels guys. So now I need post my YouTube because my YouTube for me it's very important. Hello everyone. Hello to all my friends and YouTube. Thank you guys for support for me because like now guys my watch hour you down bumaba yung ano ko ng YouTube watch hour, so I need the posting. I need prepare for stuff for Reban tomorrow because I need the service. Because now my kids is ready to sleep, so I'm prepared the medicine for tomorrow. Yan. Panoorin lang nyo ako guys. Yan. Ayos ako ng ano ko. Magpiprepare ako na ang ano kasi I have service tomorrow. Ay naku guys. Grabe. Ko ng towel. And guys. Give natin ang tuwali. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung kulay. I need prepare my color for my customer tomorrow. Asan yung tuwalya? Saan kaya yun? Saan ba yung tuwalya ko? Gagamitin ko. This one for the hair. Ayan. Sige guys, over. Mag-aayos ako. Kasi magsi-service ang lula. I need service for my because I need to ready the go province, so I need the service. So, meet the man. Ito yung plancha. Iron. Gamitin natin bukas. Kasi magsi-service tayo. I have customer tomorrow. My customer is going the Singapore. Ayan. I'm prepared for my staff because my schedule and the time is 8, so very early. Super early guys, so I need to prepare. Mag-ayos tayo. I'm orange. towel. I need towel. Of course. Ano tayo? Arrange. Arrange tayo. Thank you everyone for the support. Please support me dyan. Sige talaga ako sa Dengue is funny. May ilaw kasi yung light. So, only lower. Kasi service tayo tomorrow. Ganap buhay tayo. Need working for extra money. Ano pa bang kailangan? Kailangan natin ng towel. Ingay dito guys. Yan. So, I have medicine here. May gamot ako dito. Gloves. Kailangan ko ng gloves. Gloves na ako dito. Kompleto na guys. So, ito, this one. Bukas. Ano, service for ribbon tomorrow. I am preparing. Yan. Thank you guys. Thank you for support my channel. For today guys, I need back the YouTube. I messed up the I have no money in the TikTok or Facebook. I have no money that one because I'm not focused the TikTok and I'm focused the Facebook and the TikTok, so it's not your work. So I need focus my YouTube channel because it's very nice my YouTube channel, but I need careful for the video like that. Thank you everyone. Shout out to all my friends and YouTube. Thank you guys. Thank you for support my channel. I love you. I love you everyone. Thank you for watching. Now my video I'm posting last day. I have like one to your views for people watching. So thank you very much for support me everyone. I love you.